I'm Haley Asmus. I'm Madsen Asmus.
And I'm Pete Asmus.
And today is Wake Up Wednesday!
That's right. And what does that mean, girls?
That means wake up and live your life.
You should. Wake up and live your life, guys. We have something really amazing that we're going to get to share with you today. Everybody needs to either look up, if you're on Facebook, at our description and click on the Homevesting link, or down, if you're looking on YouTube, at the Homevesting link. We are launching our mobile app, mobile game today, Homevesting, the game. You can go onto that, the Facebook page, Homevesting, and you can download the mobile app. Get involved. Up on the top, there'll be little 3 lines. You can enter into the contest or tournament. If you type in Ivan in all caps, you will be entered into the tournament to win a TV, all right, 42-inch TV by, I think it's Wednesday or Thursday next week. We're going to run the contest through. If you type in Pete in all capital letters, there is another contest you will be entered into, or tournament, all right? And mine's way better than Ivan's, so trust me, you want this one. Think about it. We're going to be in Vegas, in Caesars. What would you want to have happen if you were in Vegas and in Caesars? In addition to that, we have today at 1 p.m., Eddie Speed is going to be on. I'm going to be interviewing him live, so if you have any questions, tune in to c2creia.com/AM1450. Listen in if you don't live locally. Listen in, call in with questions to the number that we give out. Let's have some fun today, all right? With that said, also, we're going to be at the AAPL Expo coming up this weekend. I'm telling you, it's all about, you want to wake up and live your life. Wake up and get connected to more opportunities. You want more opportunities? Get around different people. You want to get around different people? Get around different people that are all looking to do the same thing that you are. The AAPL Expo this weekend in Vegas at Caesars Palace on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It is going to be amazing. Do not miss it. I'm telling you, if you live anywhere in the area, come and check it out. If you guys need tickets, let us know. Ivan or myself will be more than happy to get you our discount that we have. And then with that, what else did you want to... You've got an apple, Haley.
Yeah.
What's going on with that?
I want to eat after if I didn't look good.
All right, awesome. So that's your goal. Okay. How are you doing this morning, Madison? Good. Okay, perfect. All right, well, with that, only one thing left to do. As always, what do you guys do? What do we got to do?
Let go, let's go, let go, let's go. We're going to dance until you get your first like us on Facebook and YouTube. If you really like us, press share. Go make something happen. Bye.
Also, if they wanted to get, what do we have? We have wristbands?
Yeah.
What else?
Keychains.
And keychains.
And stickers.
And stickers. And where do we have those at, girls?
Go makesomethinghappen.com.
Bam! Good job. All right. Now you say bye.
Bye.